Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Busaitreja and I have recently completed my Barista Advanced Professional course at Bangladesh Barista Training Academy. I wanted to share my experience and let you know how the course has helped me to develop new skills as a barista. This course was so much more than I expected. The course covered everything from the basics of coffee origins and brewing methods to advanced techniques in espresso making, milk frothing and latte art. My favorite part of the course was latte art training. I learned how to create designs like tulips, rosetta and so on. I feel much more confident, and I also learned about coffee beans origins, which helped me to understand how different flavors come from different parts of the world. One of the most surprising parts of the course for me was the tea brewing section. I learned about different tea types from green and black to chai latte, English breakfast tea, and proper brewing techniques like temperature, steeping time, and presentation. I also love the drinks making section of the course. I experimented with ingredients for smoothies, mocktails, and signature drinks, learning how to balance flavor and textures. I even created my own signature drink. If you are thinking of taking this course, go for it. Thank you for listening to my experience.